I'm going to show you one of the simplest methods to make money online today. Consider being able to pay your monthly bills on time and with money left over. This strategy will undoubtedly make your financial life easier. Also, physically, do you understand why? Physically, you won't be doing much because this strategy just takes a small amount of effort to function. On the other side, if you are lazy and use this strategy, or even simply watch the entire movie to receive the instructions, you will not make a single cent. Why financially? Because you'll be able to free up money by using this strategy. You'll have additional money to spend on yourself and your loved ones. That is why you must watch this video and take all of the actions I will outline in order to reduce your financial difficulties. Or perhaps you can progressively turn this into a passive revenue source. That is the intention. The nicest part about this strategy is that it is accessible to everybody, wherever in the globe. The more motivation to attempt this procedure, the better. So let's get right into the video. But before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. To start off this video, let's head to Jidu.com. This platform basically lets clients choose the right software for their business. As you can see right here, scrolling a little bit down here, we will see all the different categories of software. You will see the rating that they've provided these platforms right here. So that's where our focus is going to be. We are going to get paid by reviewing and giving our honest opinions for websites that have applied for assessment in Jidu.com. And don't worry, I forgot to mention that you won't really need a huge investment in this platform. You won't need to sell anything, you won't need a big social media following, and you won't need any specific or technical skills for it. All you have to do is give your honest opinion on some softwares. Moving on. Let's go down a little bit and find this button, Write a Review. Click on that. After clicking on it, you will be redirected here to this page where you will see the steps on how to legitimately leave a review for a specific software. Step 1, you have to select the software or product that you want to review. Step 2, leave your honest review. Step 3, share it. And Step 4. Yes, you guessed it right. This is the part where you make money. So with all of that said, let me guide you thoroughly on how to do the steps or what will be the next things to do. I'm going to go by each step so that it will be clear for everyone who's watching this video today. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Step 1. Pick the software or product that you want to review and give a rating. As you can see right here, there are actually a lot of categories to choose from once you come in here: sales, HR, marketing, and others. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose information technology. After choosing information technology, you're going to be redirected here, where they will show you all the software that revolves around information technology. I'm even amazed at how many options you have on this platform. You can choose whatever software you'd like to review. You can prioritize what software you want to review first, so that you will then proceed to the next one. Once you're done, the earning potential of this method is really unlimited. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be choosing this software as an example. Once you've selected your preferred software, you will then click on this box in Tech, and it will show here in the upper right corner what you've clicked. So if you're ready to review the software, just click on this button to proceed. After clicking the Continue button, you'll be redirected here, where it will display the software that you've selected. But if you were to forget a software, just input it here on this box to look for it. Moving forward, let's click on the Review button right here. After clicking that, Jidu will now prompt a page that will tell us to sign up and register first in order for us to review the selected software. So that's what we're going to do. Now click on the Continue to log in. After clicking that, you'll be forwarded here on this page where you will have the option to register using your LinkedIn and Google accounts. But you also have the option to use your business email or any email to be exact. Just make sure the one that you provide will be the correct email because they'll be emailing you a verification email to ensure that you're not a robot accessing their platform. Now, after providing your email, you must go onto your email account and then find the verification email and click on it in order to verify your account. After all that, you will be forwarded here where you will review your chosen software first if you have to read the software right here to provide the title of your review. After that, you just proceed here to answer all the remaining questions like what did you like best about the software? Or what did you dislike about the software? These are just simple questions that you can answer below 40 characters. I promise this is easy. So after you answered everything, all you have to do now is click on this box and click on the Submit button. You will just wait for the money to go into your account now. And that is how easy it is to make money in Jidu. Overall, this is a solid method for everyone trying to make money online. Make sure to try this out. Okay, you literally have no reason to not try this because again, this is available anywhere in the world. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.